So good day everyone. So good day sir. So today I'm going to discuss the report or what is a bomb calorimeter, the principles involved, the procedure of operation, purpose of calibration, and why is it important to have a reliable and precise testing results of the BAM calorimeter. So first, I'm going to discuss I will give insight what is a BAM calorimeter. So the BAM calorimeter is a tool used to calculate a substance's calorific value or heat of burning. Dell in this 2009. So it operates using the constant volume combustion concept, in which the material burns in an oxygen-rich regulated environment, and the heat produced is transferred to the surrounding water, which is confined in a jacket that encircles the bomb. So, an ignitable sample of the chemical to be evaluated is placed inside a bomb calorimeter and set on fire. So, heat is released when the material ignites and begins to burn. Using a sensitive thermometer, the temperature of the surrounding water is raised by this heat. So, para makuha na to ang step by step. So here's how it is work. So first is the bomb. So the bomb calorimeter has a strong container called the bomb. It's called a bomb because it's sealed tightly to prevent any heat from escaping during the experiment. So the bomb is made of sturdy material like stainless steel. So if makakuanta to. So next is katong burning the sample, but before that katong mag-scale or magtimbang sa katong isunugo nato nga kuan material is katong murag powder nga black. So I forgot the name of it, sir, so I'm so sorry. So kato to siya itimbangon sa katong automatic nga weighing scale, then dapat sakto iyang measurement ing ato. The next is ato din siya sa katong oxygen dayon nga kuhaon nato iyang tong oxygen nga sa to kato nay tangke ato siya i-press gamit ing ato yung isud ato sa atong murag lampara ato siya isud ato after nga is ato ma-release to datong kuan yang hangin. After yung ana is kato na burning the samples will be we put the substance we want to test inside the bomb. After yung ato itong ibuhat, after yung ato sa tangke, ito mag-release, ato i-release to. So, after yung is isulod ato itong murag lampara, kato, mo to, ato isulod na to atong katotong timbang nga material, or katong powder siya nga black. So, then, we ignite the substance using a small spark or electric filament as it's born at the released heat energy. So next is capturing the heat. So the heat released by a burning substance is trapped inside the bomb. The bomb is surrounded by water. So naman diba katong lampara is kuan ay katong sa sulod sa bomb is nato siya water adto. So which act as a like a sponge for the heat. The water absorbs the heat and gets warmer. So measuring the temperature. So we have a thermometer in the bomb calorimeter which measures the temperature in the water. As the water goes hotter, the thermometer shows us the temperature change. So nakakawan tayo man is katong bomb calorimeter nga katong na siya digital nga nakabot nato pila iyang heating value, pila iyang thermometer, then after na nato di ay ibutang tong katong murag lampara sa sulod nga nakapalibutan siya tubig. So dapat igbutang nato yung ato is dili nato i-shake to katong murag lampara adto para di siya makuan sa sulod. Then after nga to is to i-close man to, so i-open nato sa likod naman to siya button adto at i-press nato, then maghuwat ra tag 30 minutes para makuha nato ang iyang heating value and mugawas na rapod iyang temperature. So first ing ato is iyang temperature is ma-change pa to siya along the way ana. So next is calculating the energy. By knowing how much the temperature of the water has changed and the amount of water in the calorimeter, we can calculate the energy released by the substance. This tells us how much energy is stored in the substance we burned. The heat of combustion of the sample can be calculated using the formula katong gihatag ni sir nato. So, mo to, maghuha to 30 minutes, makuha na to ang high heating value niya, yung temperature pod ing ato. So, the bomb colorimeter operates under constant volume condition, as I said earlier. So, which ensures that no work is done by or on the system during the reaction. This allows for a direct measurement of the heat released by a sample without any energy losses of the surroundings. So, the method is widely used in the field of thermodynamics and fuel analysis to determine the energy content of the various substances. So, next is why katong calibration no? So, the purpose of calibration. So, in a bomb calorimeter, calibration serves to ensure both accuracy and reliability of the readings. So, the process of calibration entails figuring out the calorimeter's heat capacity or how much heat is needed to release the system's temperature by a specific amount. So, this is done by using a standard substance that is recognized to have a known heat of combustion, like benzoic acid, according to Lee and Lubar 2010. So, calibration is crucial because it indicates the subsequent measurement and accurate and permits the correction of systematic errors in the measurement. So, Miret et al. 1991. So, the principles of operation of a bomb calorimeter igniting a substance in a controlled environment to measure that heat is released and precisely determine its calorific value or heat of combustion. So, next is, why is it important to have a precise and reliable testing result? So, the accurate and dependable testing outcomes derived from the bomb calorimeter are crucial for a range of specific industrial and environmental uses. So, precise measurement guarantees the authenticity of the research results, strengthen the efforts at quality assurance, stimulate creativity in the process of enhancement, and facilitate sustainable development programs. So, need yun na to ang kalang reliable and precise testing para makabauta nga ingani din na siya atong gisunog ingani din iyang temperature ingani din iyang bomb calorimeter. So, as a student, knowing how important precise testing is in bomb calorimeter serve as a reminder of the value of a careful experiment, methods, and data analysis abilities in a scientific research and innovation in technology. So, after makakuan, diba, kung yun after sa 30 minutes, makita na to dito if sakto iyang pag-born, if sakto imong measurement adto is kanang ang water adto sa sulod so is kanang kuan siya, kanang dili siya itom. So, it means if itom na siya is wala na tanang measure, wala pod na born tanang kuan adto substance or material sa sod if naapay kanang mabilin nga itom sa iyong katong cup nga gikuan mo na sa nga para na born jud tanan. So, as it, so in summary or to sum up, so the bomb calorimeter is a crucial instrument in science that offers accurate measurement necessary to comprehend the energy dynamics of materials. The calorimeter precisely measures the heat of material combustion or the calorific value by using the constant volume combustion concept. So, in order to assure the validity of subsequent readings and correct systematic mistakes, calibration is essential to maintaining the measurement accuracy and reliability. So, in addition to validating research findings, this exact measure stimulates creativity in process optimization, assess quality assurance effort, and provide guidance for sustainable development project. So, understanding the value of exact testing in the bomb calorimeter as a student emphasizes the necessity of careful experimental procedures and strong data analysis abilities in expanding scientific understanding and promoting technological innovation. By following these by following these guidelines, we support the integrity of research and open the door to significant developments and enhance society across the globe. So, kuan po ni, so this experience, nga ipa-experience minimo sir is an opportunity para if na may mga future project or pohon makaluyan nga dili namin maignoy mo gamit nga na calorimeter because kanang karon pa lang sa laboratory na mo is naka-experience min makabaw na mi unsaon pag measure unsaon pag operate sa BAM calorimeter. And thank you and good day.